Today, I'm going to tell you how you can change the game and purchase a commercial space along with up to 4 apartments, all in one building for only 3.5% down. Okay, follow me along on this. The name of this property is called a mixed-use property. That's a property that has 1 commercial space and up to 4 apartments up top. Now, normally you need about 20-25% down to purchase this. However, FHA allows you to finance some of these buildings for only 3.5% down payment. Here's how you do it. First of all, let's get the legality stuff out of the way. This has got to be a primary residence owner-occupied building, so you have to live in one of those apartments. The residential portion of the building has to encompass at least 51% of the building's total square footage. There can be a max of 1 commercial space, and the commercial space can't be anything detrimental to the tenants, like you can't have a chemical factory down there. But you can have a bar, flower shop, coffee shop, pet store, liquor store, church, and the financing allows for up to 4 units and the commercial space. So really you could end up with a 5 unit and it's still eligible for FHA financing. So let's look at an example. So I'm going to search mixed use, all the ones that are active, and we're going to do 4 units total with 3 apartments. 3 apartments is going to be considered a 3 unit. So we need to look up the max FHA loan amount for 3 units. And there it is, $771,125 in the greater Chicagoland area. So we'll change the max price back to $772. And there's 18 of them in the greater Chicagoland area. So here's one, look at this, 228 South on State, and it's only $699, so it's under the 3 unit max. Been on the market 134 days, 4 total units with 3 total apartments, so it works. And look at this place, it's nice. That's the other side of it. And oh my, it's a bar, already built out, already running, already functioning. It's got pool tables, slot machines in there, full industrial kitchen, and here's some of the apartments. Nice, right? So this qualifies for FHA financing. That means you can buy this property and only put 3.5% down payment. Remember, this is a normal FHA loan, so here's the first thing you have to do. You need to get pre-approved with a lender familiar with mixed-use FHA financing. If you do not know one anywhere in the U.S., click the link in my bio, reach out to me, I will refer you one. After you are pre-approved, you need a real estate agent that is familiar with mixed-use properties. If you do not know one anywhere in the U.S., reach out to me, I will refer you one. Then you and your real estate agent are going to go out, hit the streets, and try to find a property like this. And listen to this, if you buy like a 4 unit plus a commercial space, you're going to live in 1 unit and you're going to collect the rents on not 1 unit. What? Not 2 units. What? Not 3 units. What? But 3 units and a commercial space. So you're going to live in 1 unit, collect 3 other apartment rents and the commercial space rents. Oh my. Oh, I forgot the best part of this all. Let's say the apartments are a little beat up. These are eligible for FHA's 203K renovation financing, meaning you can get up to $25,000 per unit to fix up the joint before you even walk in the door, as long as the total purchase price and renovation amount does not go over that max FHA money for whatever units you're buying. And remember, the renovation funds cannot be used to renovate the commercial space. You filthy animal. So look, I know you've been wanting a multi-unit. I know you want to change the game. This is your chance. Imagine you can own a commercial space. You can have your office down there, or if it's already a functioning business already paying rent, you just walk into additional income. Plus, you're going to be renting out the apartments. Click the link in my bio, fill out the form that says, I want to be pre-approved. I'll get you with a great lender. Then I'm going to find you an awesome realtor. Only 3.5% down payment. And the best part, since these properties tend to sit on the market longer than a normal residential property, the sellers are in general, more often than not, willing to give you closing costs. So you only need 3.5% down. Because it's FHA, you're allowed up to 6% closing costs from the seller. I ain't saying you're gonna get 6%, but you can always ask. But let's be realistic. Say you get 4%. That means your whole down payment basically goes away. You may only need closing costs. And if you get the whole 6%, you could get to the table on one of these deals for a song and a dang dance. Stop playing. Rent no more in 2024. It's your turn to shine. So what the heck are you waiting for? Get out there and go do it.